Good morning. Welcome to Triple F Automotive. Literally just 30 seconds away from Interstate 35 on Golden Triangle Boulevard. Now, let's take a walk into the showroom here at Triple F. The showroom is full of exotics, muscle cars, classic cars, trucks, Corvettes, imports. Some are original, some are pro touring or resto mod. There's gorgeous classics, popular exotics, iconic American cars, collectible vehicles, classic favorites. From some of the most sought-after classic vehicles to incredible luxury cars. Rows of exciting, interesting vehicles from all eras, antique to classic to muscle cars. I hope you've enjoyed this quick tour of our showroom. In the next few days, we'll do the same with our shop. Thanks for stopping in.